Dear friends and comrades, the central BJP Narendra Modi government, guided and controlled by RSS, is pursuing anti-people economic policies, new liberal policies, pro-corporate policies, anti-farmer and anti-common people policies. Their economic policy is totally destroying the public sector, and they are enriching the corporates. In this pandemic period, the wealth accumulation in the few hands of the corporate people has 35% increased. But at the same time, the common people, ordinary people, workers, peasants are becoming more and more poor. This is the consequence of the economic policy pursued by BJP government. They are from 1999 to 2004, almost 6 years at the time of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, they were in power. Now, last 5 years and this 2 years, under the leadership of Narendra Modi, the BJP government is ruling the country last 7 years. This is second term they have regained the power at the center. They are following divide and rule policy. They are dividing the people on caste and religious line, and they are polarizing the people on the religious line, and they are getting the votes, and they are making the people emotional, and they are getting the votes at the emotional at the emotions of the common people. This is happening. That's why they have come to the power again. Dear friends, since they came to power second time in 2019, they are pursuing, they are moving this country towards Hindu Rashtra. They cancelled that Article 370 regarding Kashmir, and they divided Kashmir into 3 territories. That means the statehood of Kashmir was cancelled. And then they were bringing CAA and NRC, National Register of Citizens, Citizenship Amendment Act they brought. They are all targeting Muslim community and making India into a Hindu religious country. If India is made Hindu religious country or Hindu fundamentalist country, that is not good for even Hindu people, because Hindus, almost 80% are there in Hindu or Hindus in India. The 80% Hindus, or most of them, 95% of the Hindu population are OBC, SC, ST. And only some 5 to 10% of the upper caste people, they are enjoying more, and the other section of the people, OBC, SC, ST, all people, they are suffering lot. This is their ideology, their discriminatory idea or politics.